Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vlog. And we are here at Dirty Billy camping headquarters, and we are making a supply run to the store to get some beer, probably sausage, a little bit of firewood, a variety of things. I'm gonna follow these fools because I don't know where I'm going, and this is gonna be my first time ever riding with Adam. We'll see. Yeah, I'm not gonna judge. I'm sure you know how to ride. Oh, look at that bike. Oh, my bike just starts right up. It's a new bike. All right, gonna wait for Ryan, and then I'm gonna hop on my damn self. There we go. All right. Probably gonna need gas at some point. Why is my bike not going? Bro, jokes aside, and my bike is not starting. All right, I can't explain how frustrated I am with my bike right now. For some reason, the Immobilizer started acting up. Everything was unplugged because this thing right here, the quad lock, sometimes can cause an interference with the Immobilizer, with the antenna, and everything is unplugged and it just wouldn't start. And I literally was just fucking with it for 20 minutes. The other bros, because we're camping, the other bros left to get supplies, and I stayed back because my bike wouldn't start, and I'm already thinking about fucking getting it towed and shit. And now it's working. And now I'm worried if I'm gonna turn it off, it's probably not gonna turn back on. What the fuck? What the fuck? All right, anyway. Gremlins, bro. I might have to, it might be time for a new bike. Soon. Sooner than I thought. Because this is frustrating. I really don't know. Ugh. Hello.
Hello. Wasn't able to get any signal.
My bike started 5 minutes after you left.
You're fucking kidding.
I literally like walked away from it, put the key back on, turned it, and the bitch started. I don't know if I did, because I kept twisting it. I don't know if I did something or maybe just needed like 5 minutes alone.
Yeah. What the fuck? Oh my god. All right, well, at least it started, bro.
Yeah.
All right, happy times.
Sorry I couldn't help you guys, but I'm just happy. I literally was like, yo, how much is a tow truck for 120 miles outside of New York City? Goddamn.
Yep.
All right, get in there.
All right.
And that's the bros. Decided I say hello as they pull up. It's the quick walk to the site. Yeah, it's not cool to not be able to trust the bike. I don't like that. I used to trust that bike left and right, and now little nagging issues every day, like literally every single ride there's something. Every single ride there's some bullshit. I don't get it. So annoying. And there's our site. There's the creek. It's a Russian roulette. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't, okay?
Boss, if you didn't want to go to the fucking store, you could have just said.
I literally was like, I think my bike didn't want to go to the store.
You really could have just said, I don't feel like
Yeah.
going, guys.
I was like, I wonder if they noticed that I'm not actually hitting the starter button.
Here, guys. It's a very simple conversation.
Yeah, I literally was just like, fuck, dude, fuck, man, it's just not going.
Not going.
As soon as you guys get left, I'm just like, all right, cool. I'll just chill out now. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another beautiful day at the campsite. Hope everybody has a good one. And go drink some coffee by the river, by the creek. Everybody's sleeping. It's just me up. It's just me.